Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix the could not add a card to Apple Pay. To check if you can use Apple Pay, contact your card issue to see if they support it. Then update to the last version of iOS, watchOS, macOS or visionOS. Confirm that you have Face ID, Touch ID, Optic ID or a passcode set on your device. Make sure that you are in a supported country or region. Now check that your device is compatible with Apple Pay. Next, check for service outages or connection issues. You can contact your bank or card issuer if you see the following error messages while adding your card to Apple Pay. Could not add a card, invalid card or card device limit. If you need help adding a card, learn how to set up Apple Pay. For issues connecting your account in the Wallet app or viewing your account details, learn how to connect your account to the Wallet app. Apple does not approve or decline cards for use with Apple Pay. If your card was declined, contact your bank or card issuer. To use Apple Pay, you need a supported card from a participating card issuer. To check if your card is compatible with Apple Pay, contact your card issuer. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.